Firearms Addict here, and today I want to share with you a revolver that came out of the 1968 Gun Control Act. The Gun Control Act established a point system for different firearms, and this company that made this revolver, the Clerke First, was called Clerke Technicorp, and they were out of Santa Monica, California. And this revolver is some kind of pot metal, I assume Zamac. It has a steel cylinder and a steel barrel insert, plastic grips. It's single or double action 22 long rifle. They also made a 32 caliber, and they were essentially a starter pistol company because they also made starter pistols. And if you see the cylinder stops here, they're a bit different than most. So the firearm is unloaded. Have it full cocked. Look at the play here. But one thing, when you do cock it, it does go into position, and it is lined up with the barrel. I have checked it multiple times to make sure it's going to be safe to fire, and I'm only going to shoot this with subsonic ammunition. To load it, you pull this front pin, which comes out very, very easily. Open your cylinder up. One thing, the high quality rivet here holds everything together. This is sometimes referred to as the Clerke Worst. It is an interesting firearm, and it shows what happens when politicians get involved, and then the American people are stuck with this crap. So let's get down to shooting this and see how it does. The finish on the revolver is a very interesting chrome that'll just about blind you. We're gonna shoot some paper at first. I'm at 20 feet. I think I totally missed the target. Trigger is not too bad on double action. All right, I think I'm shooting high. I'm gonna shoot at the bottom of the target, see how we do. All right, I shot at the very bottom of the paper and hit him center of mass. And that one I hit same elevation, but windage was all the way to the left. And I am shooting CCI standard velocity ammunition. All right, they all seem to be going left for me. Once you shoot all your rounds, you pull the pin out, open the cylinder, and use the pin to knock out the empties. Rivet that holds it in place. The quality is just amazing on this. I'm being totally sarcastic there. But I do pretty much like all firearms, which is why my channel is called Firearms Addict. And this thing has sort of a coolness factor for me anyway. I'm gonna move a little closer to the target and see how we do shooting double action. At 15 feet, I'm gonna hold about midway down the target this time. And shooting double action. Huh, didn't go off. Didn't go off again. All right, I broke it. No, I think there's not enough force hitting the bullet to set it off. There we go. Here's my group, and I had this one flyer, and at 20 feet I was holding here, hitting up here. When I moved to 15 feet I was holding here and hitting here. One thing I am kind of surprised about, I figured the bullets would be tumbling due to the quality of this firearm, but they're all going through straight, it looks like. Let's see how we can do on the Cowboys. Yep, missed him. Well, thought I had my hold right. There we go. Wasn't holding over to the right far enough. Well. Ugh, the Cowboys are gonna get me. We're gonna try our luck on the big pepper popper. I don't have much faith. I'm at about 30 feet. I just really don't know. Ah, hit it first shot. Of course, I had to hold off target and way low. Got him again. Nope. Got him again. And I think I'm out. Yep. All right, the Clerke First. I might agree with the analogy of Clerke Worst, but Saturday night special is what you would commonly refer to this, and cute little thing, but definitely would not recommend this as a defense firearm whatsoever. My research shows that the revolver carried a $20 price tag back in the 70s, which would equate to $141 in 2021 dollars. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, share with your friends, hit the like button. Love to hear your comments. Let me know if you've tried anything worse than this, maybe a zip gun, or I have not heard good things about the standard manufacturing Thunderstruck, I think it is. Just love to hear your comments, and consider subscribing if you're not already, and thank you for watching. Hey guys, Firearms Addict here, and I want to share today with you a revolver that is made by a company called Clerke First. Today I want to share with you a revolver that came out of the 70s, and hey guys, Firearms Addict here. In my research on the firearm, I found an article out of Guns Magazine, and it goes, and the prevalent could foment blindness. Damn. In the 1970s, the hair was long, the gas was rationed, the interest rates were astronomical, and the prevalent fashions could foment blindness if unduly gazed upon. In addition to all this pervasive grooviness, the 70s also saw the glorious genesis of the absolute worst defensive firearm in all of human history. This steaming pile of ballistic doo-doo was curiously titled the Clerke First. That sums it up right there.